Minister Dholkia, Honorable Minister of State Patel, Your Excellencies, ladies, gentlemen. First of all, as a representative of the Danish government, I'd like to thank the state government of Gujrat for hosting this water technology seminar. And thank you, Dr. Elias, for allowing us to see the water plant today. It was a good experience. And thank to all of our Indian and Danish guests for attending this seminar today. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, the earth, the air, the land, and the water are not an inheritance from our forefathers, they are on loan from our children. That's why we're here today. Because the scarcity of clean water is a challenge that India shares with many countries. And it's a global challenge that we need to overcome together for the sake of our future generations. Therefore, I'm very happy to be here today to explore how India and Denmark can work together on sustainable water management. We're very honored to be received here in Gujrat, and we hope that this meeting will serve as a verification to the friendship between our two countries. A friendship between our, we have to say, rather small country in Scandinavia and your great country. We Danes come here today in the spirit of cooperation, in the spirit of alliance, with respect for all that India has already achieved, and with respect for the challenges that you are indeed working on. Denmark faces many of these same challenges, only on a rather smaller scale. And our Danish companies would be proud to work together with Indian partners to develop new solutions for the benefit of all of us. Among the Danish companies, among the solutions that you will find a striving for perfection, detail for quality, just like the Indian companies. And therefore I believe that Danish and Indian partners can prove to be a great fit for one another. But why work together with Danish companies within the water sector? We are so small, we are so far away. But when it comes to water management, several of the Danish companies, water utilities, and municipalities present here today are the world leaders within their specific line of work. This is due to a long tradition of detailed and ambitious water management in Denmark. Take the efforts to limit water leakage, which have been quite high on the Danish agenda for many years now. In many cities across the globe, water leakage or non-revenue water surpasses 25%. In Denmark, we've managed to bring that loss down to a national level on around 7%, with our capital, Copenhagen, at only 5%. We're truly proud of the way that our water sector protects this precious resource. And something that makes us equally proud is how the sector has managed to turn wastewater into a source of energy. Through the will of passionate water professionals and a very innovative sector, we've now reached a point where wastewater treatment plants are net energy producers. They can turn an environmental challenge or a problem into a source of energy, into a source of profit. That means that cleaning wastewater is now actually a revenue stream. And when it comes to the task of the rejuvenation of the river Ganga, or achieving the goals set in the Smart Cities mission, I truly hope that we will be able to share some of our hard-earned experiences with you, and that you can benefit from the expertise that the Danish technology provides. Because you are shaping a new India, as your Prime Minister Modi says. And nothing would make us more proud than to be able to work together, to be a small part and to contribute to this. Especially if it could make this year's celebration of Mahatma Gandhi's 150th anniversary even more special. Denmark has a long tradition of cooperation and knowledge sharing with international partners. For instance, our ongoing cooperation between the city of Udaipur and the city of Aarhus on sustainable urban water management, sustainable groundwater management in South Africa, resource-efficient wastewater treatment in China, and the Water Technology Alliance in the US. I hope that our two countries can be inspired by this spirit of international cooperation in our joint next steps under the letter of intent on an Indian-Danish Water Technology Alliance being signed here later today. Thank you all so much for attending. We are happy, we are very proud to be welcomed here. We hope that this is only the beginning of a long and fruitful exchange of know-how, where we can work together to preserve our Earth, echoing the words of Mahatma Gandhi, protecting our Earth, protecting our water for the future generations. Thank you.